go. Here we go. Let's calibrate, mate. GPS. You ready? Starting her up now.
Slow down, lad. Slow down.
Can't see it. Go to loiter first, Ian. Go into loiter first, Ian.
I know, don't just there. There.
I can see it.
No, you won't hear it. Sometimes you'll hear the motor start every now and again.
You see it back here?
Remember, don't touch the left joystick
Yeah.
unless you want to go back.
Yeah. Just get a feel for it first, Ian. Here we go.
Where are you, George?
Fine, over there. See it there? Smell these trees there.
There's no point filming that on the drone, I can't bloody see it.
Where are you, lad?
Coming back towards us now. On the trees, see it? On the trees up there.
Oh, don't go too far.
I'm not.
Very well, lad. Get out of there. You going to land it?
No, not yet. I'm just letting her fly first, mate. Letting her fly. You see her there? These trees here coming above us. So let's try going up. Speed up a bit.
Can't quite spot you on me.
There she is. See her?
I can't see it in this one.
Bring it around to me. It's an easy. She's come back towards us now. See a bit of full throttle there.
Into the sun.
Well, I can look at the screen then, don't you? Yeah.
You can only see look at that little map.
Yeah. Just not cameras that way. I was recording this because there's nothing actually showing on the recording status. ...300, 400 metres away, she started breaking up a bit, so I'm turning back towards us. There you go, we're there now.
How high are you?
170 metres. See you there?
can't see it through the drone. It's moving far too fast.
So I'm returned to home now.
Is it?
Yeah, so I'm returned to home. Wait.
Is it recorded?
I went to 500 meters. I think so, because look,
Oh yeah, it's flashing, isn't it?
it's on red, but I've got no numbers going up like I do on the,
Not connected.
you know what I mean? It's coming back,
Well, is she?
coming towards us on that direction. Actually, that direction.
Is it?
Yeah, I reckon that might be a safety mechanism.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, because the tick off wasn't good. I reckon it automatically pressed land, needs to be pressed land. Crazy.
Oh, she's there.
Yeah.
Yes, she's there. Right above you.
Right, so I'm on landing. Let's just, not landing, return to home. See, it's doing 7 meters a second there. So, let's see if she goes into loiter, because when she gets over my position.
Well, is she?
Right above us there.
Oh, right into the sun.
Just turned her around now. It'll be a sharp turn that.
It's easy.
Speed up.
Yeah, it's a spot over there.
Yeah, it's let me take over control now.
You have?
Yeah.
Muddy, I mean. Oh, you've gone right into the front.
Coming back?
Is that return to home?
No, I'm still flying. I lowered it a bit then, yeah, just to, let's go throttle up,
Near the trees now, George.
climbing.
You want to know stairs when you bring it in.
Yeah.
Into the room, yeah. How are you finding the controls?
Yeah. Just trying to go smooth on, so I'm not too jolted, do you know what I mean? Throttle off a bit. I throttled off a bit there.
Yeah, she's sitting there, mate. Well,
She soon gets over there, doesn't she?
over where?
320, 30 metres already.
It's quick.
Yeah. So that's the more or less the line I'm going to have to take when I'm coming into land, isn't I? I'm just, Ian, when you're seconds, when you're recording, does it come up at the top of the screen or is it just like that red dot that's just...
That's it.
Is that it? So there's no numbers going up? I'm recording. You stop recording now, so press recording again.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's right.
Right, so, because on the bebop,
Yeah.
the numbers are there.
The square, that square usually says stop.
Right, let's start bringing it down.
Oh,
There
you
we
landed.
go.
Oh yeah, right here.
Needs to come down further.
I'm done, I'm done.
Doing well. Done it as well.
Yeah, just cross it where it's the case.
Running down now.
Shit!
No, that's it, that's it. That's it.
That's perfect!
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Perfect landing.
Was it all like that? Shall we go again? Let's have a birdie. See loiter there. See loiter at 49, 50 metres now, 51. She's climbing, I think she climbs to 60. No, I have.
Yeah, Ian. Online, if you just Google basically take off on the fucking Parrot Disco, I don't think that's the same problem.
Coming in, boys.
Get it this time.
Coming to land. Landing.
There is a whale now, isn't it?